Welcome to Fun Food Stories, where your weeknight dinners get a sprinkle of magic, a dash of TikTok, and a whole lot of deliciousness. Tonight, I've got something extra special for you. 3 quick weeknight dinner recipes inspired by TikTok that are bold, flavorful, crazy fast, and just plain fun to make. These are the viral recipes people can't stop raving about, but we're leveling them up, home-cooked style, with pro tips, smart swaps, and mouth-watering presentation. If your evenings are a rush of what's for dinner, panic, don't worry. I've got you. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 no-fuss, no-fail dinner ideas that come together faster than your takeout app can even load. And hey, if you're always on the lookout for dinner recipes that are quick, tasty, and have a little flair, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, and share it with a friend who needs dinner help like now. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single episode in this series. Now let's dive in, because these are not your average meals. These are crave-worthy, scroll-stopping, flavor-loaded TikTok legends with a twist. And you're gonna want to stay till the end for a little hack that'll change your dinner game forever. Let's start with the TikTok salmon rice bowl, leveled up with a spicy garlic crunch. I first tried the salmon rice bowl after seeing it for the 10th time on my feed, and let me tell you, I didn't expect to get obsessed. It's now my go-to when I've had one of those days. Start by grabbing a cooked salmon fillet. This is where leftovers shine, or you can pan-sear one fresh with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. Flake it into a bowl. Here's the viral magic. Microwave a bowl of leftover rice with an ice cube on top and parchment paper covering it. The ice cube helps steam the rice back to life. So smart, right? Once the rice is hot, add it to the salmon. Now here's the upgrade. Add a teaspoon of spicy garlic chili crisp, 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo, or regular mayo with a squeeze of lemon, a drizzle of soy sauce, and a touch of sesame oil. Mix it all together until it's creamy, spicy, and completely irresistible. TikTokers pair this with seaweed snacks for a sushi-like bite, but I love adding thin sliced cucumbers, avocado, and pickled ginger on the side for a full meal. Want more protein? Add edamame. No salmon. Use canned tuna or even rotisserie chicken. Going plant-based? Mashed chickpeas and vegan mayo make a great swap. Spoon it into lettuce cups. Pile it into a tortilla for a sushi taco twist, or enjoy it straight from the bowl. The ice cube trick works wonders because it steams the grains without drowning them, so you get fluffy, not soggy rice. Salmon brings in omega-3s, while the dish offers a satisfying balance of protein, fats, and carbs. Have you tried this viral bowl? Would you? Let me know in the comments. This might just end up on your dinner board tonight. Now onto the cheesy baked gnocchi skillet, a cozy one-pan dream. In an oven-safe skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and stir for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Toss in 1 pound of uncooked gnocchi and let it toast for 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in a jar of marinara sauce with a splash of water or veggie broth, stir, and then add a handful of chopped spinach or kale for a boost of greens. Cover the surface with shredded mozzarella and a sprinkle of Parmesan. Pop it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes until bubbly and golden. When it's out, add fresh basil or parsley. The cheese melt. Divine. The gnocchi cooks in the sauce and absorbs all that flavor, no boiling, no draining. You can go dairy-free with vegan cheese or switch the marinara for creamy pesto or vodka sauce for a fancy twist. Pair with garlic bread or a crisp green salad for the full experience, or roasted broccoli, and chilled white wine if you're going for elegance. Toasting the gnocchi crisps the outside and keeps the inside fluffy. It's like little golden pillows with attitude. Ever tried toasting gnocchi before? Comment, crispy magic, if you're giving this one a go. Now for a TikTok favorite with endless possibilities, the viral tortilla wrap hack, dinner edition. Take a large tortilla and cut a single slit from the center to the edge. Imagine the tortilla in 4 quarters. Fill each one. Seasoned chicken or tofu, sliced avocado and lettuce, shredded cheese, and spicy mayo or salsa. Fold bottom left to top left, over to top right, then down to bottom right, creating a layered triangle pocket. Toast in a skillet with butter or oil until crispy and golden. That crunch! Chef's kiss. Want a batch cook? Wrap extras in foil for on-the-go meals, or toast them in the air fryer for more crunch. Switch it up with Mediterranean fillings, hummus, olives, feta, or go breakfast mode with eggs, hash browns, and cheese. Serve it with sour cream, salsa, or a simple corn salad. Slice into triangles for a DIY quesadilla board. You can tailor the fillings, low carb, high protein, vegetarian, or indulgent, however your cravings lead you. The brilliance of this wrap hack is the textural layering. Each bite hits differently, and no two are the same. Now, if you made it this far, here's a bonus treat. Air fryer TikTok pasta chips. Take cooked pasta, toss with olive oil, Parmesan, and your favorite seasonings, then crisp them up in the air fryer. Serve with marinara and enjoy the crunchiest, most addictive snack ever. And there you have it. 3 quick weeknight dinners inspired by TikTok with a bonus that'll keep your snack game strong. Which one are you making tonight? The spicy salmon rice bowl, the cheesy baked gnocchi, the folded tortilla wrap, or maybe all 3? Drop a comment below and tell me which one won your heart. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend stuck in a dinner rut. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. These recipes brought joy back to my evenings, and I hope they do the same for you. Until next time, keep cooking with joy, keep tasting boldly, and keep your dinner game strong.